guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for joining me today. My name is Aisha. So today, as you can probably tell from the title down below, I'm going to be attempting an at-home DIY brow lamination. So I did dye my eyebrows for the first time a few weeks ago. I think it was 1 or 2 weeks ago, and the brow tint is still going quite strong. I mean, it has faded a lot, but they are still much darker than they are usually. So this is really trendy right now, this whole brow lamination thing. And I got this kit off of Amazon, and it was actually quite cheap. I mean, cheap, maybe not. It was around £20, which isn't too bad, I think, because I think you can use it for more than one use. And yeah, it is a lash lifting kit, but I did some research and all of like the solutions and stuff are the same as the ones you would use for a brow lamination. So hopefully it will be okay. So it's by the brand ICONSIGN, and yeah, just type in like lash lift kit in Amazon and it's the first one that comes up. So it probably is better to get this done by a professional, but obviously all of the salons are closed at the moment in quarantine. And I thought, what better time to try it than now, where I have nowhere to go, nothing to do. And this came straight to my house, so that was great. I mean, I didn't even have to leave the house for this. And just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I don't really know anything about brow lamination or lash lifts and stuff like that. But I'm just going to follow the instructions, which come on the back of the box here. So hopefully it should be quite straightforward. So yeah, before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. Okay, so let's open up this box. Ooh. Oh. So you get care iPads. Obviously it is a lash lifting kit, so it comes with iPads. You get like some ingredients and stuff like that. And this is what comes in the kit. So you get a cleaning tool, the lift pads, which you would use for doing a lash lift, the perming solution, fixation solution, nutrition solution, which will like hydrate your brows afterwards, and a cleanser. And you also get a lash glue and a lash lifting tool. So that's pretty good. I mean, for £20, you get quite a lot of stuff in there. And I mean, you won't use a whole solution, I don't think, to laminate the brows in one time. I don't know. Am I even making sense today? I feel like I'm not even speaking English, but you guys hopefully know what I'm talking about. Let me just zoom you in on my eyebrows. So here is what my brows look like. They go in this direction, and I really find it difficult to make them stay up. Like I do soap brows or use brow gel and stuff like that, and as soon as I apply the product or whatever, the soap, they do stand up really, really nicely, but it never lasts long, like maybe 2-3 hours and they're back to this position that they are usually in. So step 1, use the cleanser to remove oil, dust and makeup residue. So I did do my makeup, so there might be some residue in there. So I'm just taking the cleansing solution and I'm just going to use a cotton bud, and I'm just going to run that through the brows just to get any like makeup residue or whatever out of them. And I mean, in a salon, I think people usually do this and then tint the brows afterwards just to get an even fuller effect. This brow lamination is mainly to get a fluffy, fuller, kind of natural brow effect. Okay, so the brows are clean. And then the next step is to apply the iPads under the eyelids. I'm not doing an eyelash lift, so I don't need to do that. And then it says to apply the glue. So I'm going to take the lash lift glue, false lash glue. So here's what it looks like. The packaging is actually really cute on all of these products. So yeah, first I'm going to brush them in the direction that I want them to go. So the ones at the front, I want them to stick up, and then these ones going kind of like diagonally upwards. So yeah, just stick them all down. Okay, so my brows feel pretty stuck down right now. That is what it's looking like. Let's do the other one. Okay, brow hairs are stuck in place. Don't know if I used too much or if I didn't use enough, but they're pretty stuck. at this point. Okay, after the lash glue, it says to use the perm lotion number 1 and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap and then leave on for 10 to 12 minutes. I guess plastic wrap is cling film, right? In England we say cling film. In America I guess it's called plastic wrap. Don't know. So here is the perming solution. It's number 1 and I'm going to, I don't know how to do this, I guess on a brush. I'm just gonna stick my brush in. Just taking like a tiny bit and then I'm just going, oh, that smells so bad. What is that? Ew. Okay. And I'm just gonna cover my my eyebrows with this solution. So basically this is like a perm for your eyebrows. And I think it's supposed to last, I don't know, like 2 to 6 weeks. I have no idea, we'll see. We'll see how they turn out first before I worry about how long it's gonna last. One brow done, and then let's do the other one. Just make sure you brush the hairs in the direction that you want them to go. Otherwise you might like move them around and then you don't want to perm them downwards because that can leave a very sad brow look, I guess. Don't want that, do we? Right, so I have applied that to both my eyebrows. This one is looking bushy. And I'm just taking my cling film, aka plastic wrap. This is so weird. How am I gonna do this? I can't see. My eyebrows are so close to my eyes. Okay. I think that'll do. The things that I do for YouTube. Can't see very well right now, so I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back to do the next step. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and it's time to take off this cling film. So the next step is to remove the solution using a Y brush, which I didn't know what a Y brush was until I opened up this really cute little box which says clean tool on it. And in here you get 3 of these little like Y kind of plastic things with a spiky edge. So I guess you use this to remove the solution. Ow. So I think I've got rid of as much as I can, and the next step is the fixation solution. So I think this like neutralizes the perming solution and fixes those eyebrow hairs in place. And this one's like a baby blue color, it's so cute. So I'm just gonna apply that with that same brush. And so far this has been really easy to do, so again it saves time going to a salon or anything, and I think it will save money because, as I said, I'm not using that much product. Let me know guys if you want me to do the lash lift. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how I will be able to do that with my eyes closed, but we can try. Okay, so that's on and we need our little friend cling film again. I hate cling film, it's so annoying. And then we just need to cover the eyebrows again. Okay, great. And we need to leave that on for another 10 minutes. So I've put my timer on and I'll be back soon, guys. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's take off this cling film. Whew, freedom. So now it's time to wipe everything off, and we need to use the cleanser solution, which is this one, number 4. And it says to use the comb side of the Y brush. I don't know how that's gonna go. So first I'm just going to put the cleanser solution on my eyebrows and then brush them through with the Y brush. Okay, yeah, with more cleanser solution it's much easier to comb through the eyebrows. So you need to like kind of drench them. Ooh, I think it's working. So I just wiped like everything off using a makeup wipe, and my brows are going in that direction. So I think it kind of worked. I mean, it did work. So yeah, if you like rub them in different directions, it's much easier to get everything off. You can still move them around, but I think the point is that once you brush them up, they stay in place. But yeah, they're not like stuck to my skin or anything. Okay, so this is what my brows are looking like. I think they look pretty cool. Hopefully they stay like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tint them just so they look a bit more filled in, because they do have like some sparse areas. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. Okay guys, so I am back and I did just tint my eyebrows. That's why they are looking pretty dark right now, like kind of like caterpillar eyebrows. I think I did them a bit too dark, but as I said in my DIY brow tint video, they do fade really quickly, so they won't look like this forever, luckily. But regarding the brow lamination, I actually love it. Like, I haven't got any product in my brows at all, like just the tint and the lamination, nothing else. And this is what they are looking like. Like, all the hairs are going upwards. I kind of messed that up, the brow tint. That's why they look a bit weird right now. I do still have like this sparse area here, but there's nothing I can really do about that. So yeah, as I said before, the brow hairs do actually like move around. So you can like style them how you want to. But yeah, I just think they look much fluffier and like much fuller than before. And I will keep you guys updated on how long it lasts and everything like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if you would ever try this or you've ever actually got this done professionally. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.